Liam Out Loud. Liam Out Loud. Life is super awesome on Liam Out Loud. Hi guys, it's me, Liam from Liam Out Loud, and today I'm going to show you a progress review of my tree house. We need to put on siding, roofing, and the interior. It's gonna be super awesome!
It's that little boy right there. Let me get down here. Why are these trees wet? Liam, did you pee off the deck?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Now you tell me. Thanks a lot. Jeez, chicken. All right, wave at me, boy.
Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Liam Out Loud, and today I'm going to show you my tree house. But first, let's review the supplies. So, we've got all this wood here, and a couple of dog-eared pickups. And then next, some more wood, and some pallets that were extra over there. And also, the compressor for the nails and more. And that is the front view of my treehouse. So far, so good. And this door right here was homemade, and this was made with water seal. That's why it looks a little cedar. And also the shed windows with green shutters. If you want to know what shutters are, they are things that they used to use back then to open and close their windows whenever winds that they don't want in their house come. So, next we've got this handle here. The door opens, voila. And on the inside, we have the walls. So far, so good. And right here is where we're gonna put the office-like thing. And right here we have a window. Look out there. Our area is mainly woods. And also, we live in an ancient riverbank. How cool is that? And then another one where a wall-mounted table is gonna be, and 2 plexiglass windows. That one right there, and that one right there, and then we're gonna put a little loft, just like my bedroom. And we need to remove the sticker from that little window right there in the middle of the screen, and another, and another, and also, we have Kira's old door. Open it up. The outside is green. I don't know why this treehouse has so much green. And look, this is our back porch. I chose that color. Lights on. Okay. So, I chose this color at the hardware store in Irvin, which is called Mays Do It Center. And also, if you live in Kentucky or somewhere in Madison County and Jackson County and more, then you could order some wood from the guy that ordered it from. And there's my truck down there, and look down there. That's what it looks like right now. And that right there, all the way from right there, all the way to over there is a riverbank. And also, Giant Creek used to be very nearby. There's an electrical line over there. And Dad really likes this locust. huge, like humongous. I don't know where it will end. And right here, it's not gonna get taller, but the tree's gonna get wider though. Dad painted it sweet potato, color which I picked out. And he's the center, and look at that. And my aunt really liked it, and we have the siding, and we're about halfway done. It's like themed as a Western saloon because like the siding, and also the floor down there. That is completely pine. And I showed you what held it up, which was the joist hangers. And also, if you go down underneath the treehouse, do you know what you will find? The lower workings. Hold on, there's a yeesh. Our property is mainly woods. And look, those are the joist hangers I was talking about earlier when I showed you a bracket. Don't disturb me, people. But also, if you go down there towards the boxes down, you'll be able to see where I stained it. All the way down to right there. Right about there. Okay, good. So, one last look. That's amazing. So, you guys, Liam Out Loud fans, aka Liam Out Louders, aka Liam Out Loud fans, did you like my treehouse? The next video, it is gonna be super awesome. One last look. Bye guys. I hope you enjoy my next video.